This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery on a Jaguar XE key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery. It's important to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid misplacing any tiny components. This simple task is quite straightforward and should only take you a few minutes to complete, getting your key fob back to full power quickly. Next, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button located on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the emergency key blade. With the key blade removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damage. Now it's time to replace the battery. Before you remove the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its holder. Once removed, take your new CR 2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely closed. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.